So I'll be showing you how to change the screen brightness on your GoPro Hero 12. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then swipe left to go to the right hand side menu and then tap on Preferences. Under Preferences, scroll down to Displays, tap on that. Under Displays, scroll and find Brightness. Tap on that. You can see it's currently set to 50%. You can increase or reduce the brightness using this slider here. This one. So to reduce screen brightness all the way to 10%, and you can increase like that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.